This video shows the unboxing and first-time use of this quiet, efficient portable generator. First, open the packaging box. Inside the box, you'll find the toolkit, the generator adapter, a fuel funnel, the gas pressure regulator, the user manual, and other included accessories. Make sure to check the accessory list to ensure everything is there. The generator features a red and black engineered outer shell, and is equipped with wear-resistant wheels and a retractable towing handle at the bottom, making it easy to move and transport outdoors. Step 1. Add engine oil. Make sure the generator is placed on a stable, level surface. Rotate the side panel knob 90 degrees clockwise, then carefully remove the side panel. Remove the oil fill cap, and slowly add 0.6 liters of the recommended engine oil. Please use fully synthetic engine oil. Fill the engine oil up to near the threaded opening. If use the dipstick to confirm that the oil level is approximately 80% of the gauge. Once done, tighten the oil fill cap securely. Step 2. Connect the battery. Connect both the positive and negative terminals of the battery. Reinstall the side panel and tighten the fastening knob counterclockwise to ensure it is securely in place. Step 3. Add fuel. Open the fuel tank cap and add clean, unleaded gasoline. After fueling, securely close the fuel tank cap to prevent any leaks. Step 4. Start the generator. First, rotate the fuel switch smoothly from the OFF position to the on position. Then, turn on the engine switch. After these preparations, pull the recoil starter firmly and steadily until the engine starts and runs smoothly. After the generator is running normally, you can switch the operating mode based on your power usage requirements. Press the Eco switch button on the control panel to switch between Eco mode and Power mode. Step 5. Shut down the generator. First, rotate the fuel switch from the on position to the OFF position. Finally, set the engine switch to OFF to complete the shutdown procedure.